This is the big secret of my brother's business. Everyone goes to my brother's business to order this delicious creamy oatmeal recipe. When they approve it, they are delighted. I will start this recipe by adding 200 grams of flake oatmeal in a pot. Then I will add a liter of milk at room temperature. And I will mix very well to incorporate the ingredients. Now I will add a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix again to integrate it. People, this creamy oatmeal is super easy to make and is incredibly delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. Once mixed, I'm going to wait for the milk to start boiling. When the milk begins to boil, we will move constantly for a minute. After the minute, our oatmeal would be ready. We turned off the stove and reserved it for a moment. Next, in a bowl I will add 200 milliliters of water. Then I will add 80 grams of cornstarch, or also known as cornstarch. And I'm going to mix very well until the cornstarch dissolves. Once I know they're dissolved the cornstarch, I'm going to reserve it for a moment. In a stainless steel skillet, I will add 2 cinnamon chips. In addition, I will add approximately 12 cloves and 130 milliliters of water. Now simply let these ingredients boil for 5 minutes to extract their delicious flavor. When they are past 5 minutes, we will remove the 2 cinnamon chips and the 12 cloves from our boiling water. Then I will add the cornstarch mixture I had reserved and stir constantly until it becomes homogeneous. Meanwhile, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Rama Cash from Kenya, also for Anita Aurora from India, and Eliza Batistas from Philippines. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And so in this way we should stay. Then, in the blender I will add all the oatmeal we had reserved. Then with the help of a spoon, I will add the cornstarch that we have prepared. I will cover the blender and blend for 2 minutes. After the time I will add 200 milliliters of condensed milk and liquefy again to integrate it with the other ingredients. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like creamy oatmeal, so I can send you a very special greeting. Now, in a container with ice, I will strain the mixture very well to remove any residue. And already our creamy oatmeal is ready. Look how delicious it has been. This is an easy and quick recipe to make. I hope you make this recipe at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.